Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold on AvaTrade. So right now we are here on the chart and we want to buy some gold. So what we're gonna do is we search here for symbol and type in gold. Then you will find here a lot of options, but let's say we want the normal gold. So we click here on gold. And then right now you will find here the chart of gold. If you want to buy gold, we click here on the green one, buy, and then this screen right here will appear. Then from now we select here buy, and then right now you can select right here the amount troy ounces or lots if you want to do that. So let's say we want to do 5 amount troy ounces with a leverage of 20. The margin impact is 1260 and the value is 25 grand. Then right now what we will do is we click here on buy, but if you want to create a take profit or a stop loss, you can select one of these, but we just want to buy, so we click now on buy, and now the position got opened. And if you go here to positions, you will find here our position that we just did. So this is how you can buy gold on AvaTrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.